What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money, and you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website, and then I'll see you on the video. All right, so first of all, this is GBUSD. Honestly, I'm not understanding why you're looking for buys. I'm not saying you're wrong, but I'm really not understanding why you're looking for buys. First of all, I see you're trading with support and resistance. If it works for you, I'm really happy for you. I hope you can make a lot of money trading this way, but this is not how I look at the market. Let me show you GBUSD. GBUSD is in a clear downtrend. This is a demand area, but just because this is a demand area doesn't mean that we continue to the upside. Maybe we do, but we need clear confirmation about it, that we are continuing to the upside. For now, there is not this confirmation. For now, it's just push to the downside, retracement, push to the downside, retracement, push to the downside. This is just the most recent breakout structure right here to the downside. This is the previous structure broken to the downside, which is the supply area that created this breakout structure. This one. Okay. So breakout structure to the downside, supply area that created this breakout structure, retracement, sells right here. Maybe later there will be buys to go to the upside, but I'm not looking for that right now at all. Why? I'm even questioning if you looked at my course at this point, if you're sending me this chart with moving averages. Again, if you are good at using them, if you feel comfortable, you can use indicators, you can use whatever you want, you can trade however you want. But I'm just questioning if you're sending me this chart, have you looked at my course? Because all I see is indicators, support and resistance, no market structure at all used. Oh, you're new. Okay, you're new. No worries at all. I understand. This is not bad. It's just that we cannot make this type of forecasts just based on a support or resistance level. We cannot just say, okay, we retrace here, we'll have an entry for buys, we'll continue and look for buys at support, look to sell at resistance. This is not what we will do. Not at all what we do. But it's no problem. Take your time to go over the course. If you have any question, you can ask me. I hope it helps you. This doesn't mean that you cannot use moving averages. This doesn't mean that you cannot use support and resistance. It just means that you will have a better understanding of the market, and you can combine it with what you're using already. Just combine it the right way. No worries at all. Okay, we have one request. So if I can post on the Signal channel when I start the day and when I take the last trade. Okay, so I will not post it. I tell you already, I will not post it. The reason why is because I will say it here. Maybe I will put this message in the group maybe, but my trading times are London open from, okay, so let me, London open, let's say from, wait, because I also need to think about the time. From 9 a.m. to 11, well, let's put it on. From 9 a.m. to, wait, London open, New York open, which means Italian time from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, sometimes I start later, sometimes I finish earlier, but these are my trading hours in general, Italian time. Okay. Do I trade every day? Yeah, unless it's NFP or there is any crazy news, or I'm really busy and maybe I'm like last week when I was buying a house. Well, actually, I sent a signal that day and I was trading, but yeah. Please check my analysis, but the link doesn't work. Ellie means manipulation. Okay, let's see. Seems like GPUSD. See, yeah. You have imbalance, you have the order block, you have the retracement, and you have the lower time frames confirmation. Looks good. Okay, we have a question about WYCKOFF, about the UT and UTED. Honestly, and again, this is coming in the 2.0 content and so on and so on. But I don't use WYCKOFF like that. I don't really care about seeing every single little move. I don't really care about naming every move with, you know, buying climax, automatic rallies, secondary test, UT, break structure, UTED, second break structure, last point of supply, continuation to the downside. I know the names, I just don't care about the names at all. I just don't care about the names, to be honest. All I care about is structure, liquidity, and that's it, and manipulation. If I want to see a consolidation, I want to see a clear grab of liquidity, I want to see a clear change of structure, and then I need to understand if there is liquidity, because if there is liquidity left behind, then we have higher chances of coming for a second manipulation before continuing. If there is no liquidity left behind, then I'm just looking for an entry on a retracement to continue to the downside from a supply level, possibly at a discounted area above the, sorry, premium in this case, discounted if it is for buys. So I don't, this is WYCKOFF, I just don't care about the names, I don't care about seeing every single little move. I care about understanding the market, how it moves, how it is manipulated, and how to find entries based on that. And we are smashing our trade right here. Nice. Need to see a nice take profit here. Let's review. Yeah, below that low, perfect. Yeah, maybe we need to close a little bit earlier, right there. That shouldn't be a problem. Top-down analysis. Yeah, okay, terminology. So, I was just making a video about this today, by the way. So you have higher time frame order block, which is either supply and demand level, imbalance, refinement. Then we have SW and LMS, which is for entry confirmations, but I cannot explain it right now. It is going to be, just wait 3 weeks and it will be in the 2.0 content. And this means last man standing, which is the last area which needs to be broken when I'm looking for a lower time frame entry. Then we have equal lows and equal highs right here, equal lows, equal highs, liquidity. With this means liquidity. Yeah, that's it. And that's all. 0.5 retracement. Yeah,